Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipt on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is going to our Instagram profile. So we can tap on this profile button and tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen, and we're going to open the settings and privacy. Okay, and on the settings and privacy, we have to find the messages and story replies. Tap on the setting, and you're going to click on read receipt or show read receipt. And here you can turn off your read receipt on Instagram. You just need to click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, and now my read receipt on Instagram has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off a read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.